Bet you got your booty on MySpace.
No, because if they said, bet you got your booty off MySpace. Like, you got your ass off MySpace. Like,
And that's Jolene for you guys. The first time she asked me, how do you get your booty on MySpace?
Ow!
Psych. That's why we love her though.
I hurted myself.
Ooh, look at that cop car.
It's after me. It's after my shit.
Friends.
Yeah.
So we're at Monte Vista, and it's getting pretty lame. It's
Say
like,
where you from? VHS.
and VHS.
Yeah, who's the best? Monarchs, yo.
Valhalla.
Monarchs, yo, go.
Holla.
Charter. I don't have a mascot.
You should be in mine.
Isn't ours like a Viking or something?
Yeah,
So yeah, you should
That's fucking retarded.
come say hi to us. Even though by the time you see this movie, we'll be at home doing our daily life. So
What's our daily life?
My daily
Sleeping.
life is
cheer.
no.
Bees. Look at all the dead bees over there. Just go look at them. Let's go look.
Oh, you're disgusting.
Super money.
Super
Ooh.
fucker.
Psych. Okay.
Who
Well,
gives you
yeah.
quarters?
Bye.
Money?